What do you want
What?
daw? Sabi ng tatay.
A tanker truck.
A
Yeah?
tanker. A tanker truck? Why? Why you want a tanker truck? You have too much toys.
Hindi, yung tanker truck na nilalaro niya. The one yung play Fan City. Ha?
Yes po.
Show me how you play.
How you play daw? Show to tatay. How to play tanker truck.
Tanker truck.
Wow. You want to go out?
Yes po.
Let's go out. Come here. Kuya.
You go to tatay daw.
Ha?
You go to tatay. Ha? Oo, to ka.
Tatay.
Yes po.
Ano Kuya Yusuf?
I know. You eat your food already? You eat lunch? You eat rice?
No po.
Yes. No po.
Papadam and little bit egg.
Then you have to finish your food first before you play outside.
Yes.
Okay? You finish your food. Kuya.
That is crazy.
I'm crazy?
Ow.
Yes. Why am I crazy? Huh? You have to finish your food first before you go and play outside. You finish your milk?
You finish your milk, opo.
Stop.
Marco, yun, nauntog ka.
You bump your head. You bump your head again.
Careful.
See, I have a
Our
tank. Kuya, oh, see,
our
look.
favorite na.
Look, oh,
Ito
look.
naman.
Oh, look, oh. Nanay, look. See?
Wow!
Oh.
Nan,
Okay.
Nanny school. My tanker truck. Nanny, that's dark. Nanny, open that light.
It's we have light from outside because of the sun. Yeah, the sunlight.
Mhm.
That's our light. The sunlight from outside.
Yes po.
That is cute. Ano,
Ano?
the
Tanker.
truck.
Really? Why you have too much kwento? Yeah.
Bumubulong-bulong eh.
Yeah. You talk about already? Have you
Ah,
talk about?
not yet.
No, not yet. You're so
We're
maho.
going, we're going to take a bath na maya-maya.
Kuya
Maya,
Yusuf is so
maya.
Kuya Yusuf is so maho. I can smell hear your kilikili. You're so maho.
Yes po.
Ew! Ew!
Mm. Mm.
Sige na, okay na, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you
Ayapo.
later.
Later.
I love you
See
daw.
you later, alligator. Where are you? I cannot see you.
I
Oh,
love you.
you have booger?
Love booger daw.
Huh? Show me your booger like this, oh.
Sorry.
Okay na, sige na, bye-bye.
Pababay na tatay. See you later.
See you later.
See
I
you
love
later, alligator. I
you.
love you too, Kuya Yusuf. Oh, you
Don't
bump
touch
your
the
head
tap.
again.
Come
You
here
will
na.
bump,
We're going to take a bath na.
you will bump your head again. Poink.
Oo, alam ko na.
Okay, bye-bye po.
Bye-bye. Flying kiss.
Wow! Nanay Kuya Yusuf is so crazy. Mwah! Mwah! Bye-bye also kay Baby Ismael. Bye-bye, Baby
Bye-bye.
Ismael.
Bye-bye, tatay. I love you.
Ayabo to.
Yak laway.